Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Help. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to blank name in Among Us. In order to blank your name in Among Us, you'll need to go and copy the blank Unicode character and paste it in your existing name. In order to do so, watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go to your web browser. In my case, I'm opening my Google Chrome web browser. Once you go to your web browser, in the Google search engine, type in blank name for Among Us. Go to this link right here, and this will literally tell you what you can do in order to get a blank name for your Among Us. Go through the information, and if you scroll a bit down, you'll be able to see that there is a blank space between the quotation mark. Simply go and tap it on and copy the blank space. Go back to your Among Us and simply tap on change name. Erase the dot and then simply paste the blank space that you copied and tap on done and tap confirm. That way you can have a blank space as your username on Among Us. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.